And I'm here after the Rose Festival fireworks. Not a bad crowd. It's not a bad crowd at all. And as you can see, we have many people out on the platform. I don't know who it is, I think it's a white shirt up there. Oh, there we go. Well, no one's going anywhere. And as you can see here, the white shirt mobiles are out in force. I think there's about 4 or 5 here between 2nd and 3rd, if I have. And over here I see 1, 2, 3, and 4 vehicles I got stashed here. This is a line here to get on the Morrison Bridge. My guessing is a bridge lift, maybe the fireworks barge or something, so a little bit of a conflict if there is, if people want to leave and that thing wants to leave too. So I don't know, it's backing up quite a ways. Ed Rossi there is still going at it. He's still, even though he's a manager and whatnot, he's still out in force, so in the trenches, shall we say. Yes. Uh-oh. I'm not sure what happened there, ladies. Uh-oh, we have a little problem here. As you can see, there's another train coming up ahead. And this train, oh, maybe there's going to go. I can't tell if that thing stopped or not. Oh, it's going. So this thing could get a signal there. I don't know if you can see it, but it has not dropped. Oh, maybe that train's going. Oh, there it goes.
Go with it, bro!
Now, is that train stuck? I can't tell.
You gonna make the alarm go off? Yeah, there's a security guard right there. What was the issue?
Maybe he's doing a little stop sound, safe to proceed there. Well, he should be able to recall his signal, but I don't know.